Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this dash cam that I got sent out for review. It comes with the camera and also a cable that is here. And this is like the lighting cable that goes connected to the lighter of the car. So now here you have these compartments. One is for the mini SD card and the other one is to connect the cable. And here it has this sticker that you will be using to attach it or to glue it directly to the glass of your car. So here it is, how you will be installing it and how it looks like. Now let's show you the cable. Here is a cable. It is a USB-C port in one side. Here it is. You connect it to the dash cam, and then the other side will be attached to the lighter of the connector that it is in the car. You can also insert the mini SD card. And now here is how we hide the cable. This is the way that we attach the cable to the car, so it is not seen by anybody. As you can see, it is very discreet, and it is very nice to have this dash cam just in case that something happens. You never know. Okay, so now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi so you can download the camera and you can see this camera from your phone. And in case that you have a teenager that is driving, starting to drive, you can see where he's going and connect to this app as well. Here you will be adding the password. This is the Wi-Fi that you will be connecting to connect it to the dash cam. Okay, so it comes with like a kind of Wi-Fi signal, the dash cam. Okay, you can connect to it and see what is happening right here. Okay, so here is the video, and this is what you can see from the camera at this moment. It is recording at this time. You can change the mode to horizontal or vertical. You can record in the mini SD card right here, and it will let you know that when you are video resolution and everything right here. Okay, you can see what is the remaining storage as well from the SD card. It is, as you can see, it is a very, very wide camera. So here is how you can see it when you're driving, and right here it is really, really cool. It has a very nice resolution, as you can see. This is the recorded video now that we are playing in a computer. Just using the mini SD card, you can just transfer this video to anywhere.